Today we have met quite a number of families that have been displaced and have come to live here because access to their homes is now impossible. Talking to the people, it is very clear that the situation is very dire. These people have lost their homes, they have lost their livelihoods, and are now dependent on aid. So the support that we are giving the Red Cross and Action Against Hunger is clearly much needed by the population, and the future still remains uncertain for them. On top of the risks that they're already faced with right now, they're also facing the risks of diseases.